Hey everybody, this is Ashley Jones, and in this video I want to show you how to use the print catalog feature in all of Dime embroidery software. Print catalog is not new to Perfect Embroidery Pro, but it is brand new to all other pieces of Dime Inspiration Series software. It was added in the last update. So if you have not updated your software to the most current version, you can do so to gain this feature. So let me show you what print catalog is all about, and then I'll show you how to use it. So the print catalog feature allows you to select any of your folders that have embroidery designs in them and print this PDF document that will show images of all of the designs. So this is amazing because you can print this, put it in a binder or a folder, and flip through your designs and easily locate the one that you want to use. So when you print the catalog, it shows you the location of the folder for the designs you're looking at, and you can see the name of each design. You can see in this folder I have left the default names, which are numbers that I could use to locate my design. So once I can see this in the print catalog, I could then maybe do a search for it or just head to this folder to find my design. So let me show you how to use the print catalog feature. So to use this in your software, any piece of Dime Inspiration Series software, you're going to go to File and choose the print catalog. Then you're going to click this ellipse button, the three dots, and choose the folder that you would like to print. So I'm going to print the designs that came with my quilt embellisher. So I click on that folder. It is empty, but trust me, it will print the designs that are in here. You're just selecting the folder. So click the select folder, and you can adjust these settings if you'd like. If there are any subfolders that you want to print, make sure you have a checkbox here. How many columns of pictures do you want? Print the folder path. Of course, we want that at the top of the page so we can get back to that folder easily. You can also add the print date. This might be helpful to know if you'd added any new designs, so you'll know which day you'd printed that folder. And the print page number. So choose the options that you want, click OK, and choose the location to save this design. So I'm just going to put it on my desktop for now, and I'm going to name it MQE Catalog. Click Save. It will generate the PDF, and there you have all of those designs. So I can print this PDF, keep this in a binder to be able to see all the designs that are located in this folder here. Okay, one additional thing I want to show you about the print catalog feature. So I'm going to go back to my Embroidery Toolshed software, and inside of every piece of Dime software there are always some sort of free design. So for instance, in Perfect Embroidery Pro, we have these free text designs. We have some monogram shapes. We have some applique shapes and some motif shapes. There are also free designs, built into our other software like My Lace Maker, the Vintage Embroidery software, Block Piecer, My Quilt Embellisher, all of them, Word Art and Stitches, they all have free designs. So to print those, you have to choose the folder of the design location. So you're going to do the same process, File, Print Catalog. Now the location of those designs that are embedded in your software are located under your C drive, Program Data. This is a hidden folder, so you have to tell your Microsoft Windows to unhide folders, so to show hidden folders. Click the Program Data, go to G7 Solutions, Embroidery Toolshed, Library, and choose the folder of the designs that you want to print. I'm going to show you on one of the My Lace Maker folders, so I'm going to choose Lace, the Designs, and the Classic Lace folder. I'm going to say select this folder. Looks empty, but it's not. And I'm going to click OK, and it will generate the PDF. So I am going to choose to put this again on my desktop, and I'm going to name this Lace Designs and click Save. The software will work on creating the PDF for you. You have it digitally, and you can also print that PDF. So once it opens, we'll see that these are all of the lace elements built into My Lace Maker software located at this location. Hope you enjoyed this video.